Attention realtors. Are your listings struggling to catch buyers' eyes? Imagine transforming a cluttered space into a sparkling showcase in just 30 minutes. Meet TidyTex Home Cleaning, the veteran-owned cleaning service ready to elevate your property showings and make a lasting impression. We specialize in preparing homes for sale, ensuring they shine bright before open houses and buyer visits. Our quick turnaround means you can book us and see results fast, helping you close deals quicker than ever. We understand that first impressions matter, and we focus on the details that matter most, so potential buyers feel right at home the moment they step through the door. Here's a quick tidy tip. Want to enhance a home's appeal without spending a dime? Open all the blinds and turn on the lights before a showing. A well-lit space feels inviting and highlights the best features of each room, making it easier for buyers to envision themselves living there. With TidyTex, you can rest easy knowing that your listings are in good hands. Contact us today through the info in the description to learn how we can help get those sold signs up in record time. Don't wait. Let's make your properties shine together and attract those eager buyers.